Fire Systems Ltd was involved in the design, test and commissioning of the fire alarm systems at the new London Underground train depot at Neasden. The fire alarm design included 8 air sampling systems protecting 2 very large sheds. The testing procedure was to be in accordance with the FIA Code of Practice. We attempted to use the smoke pellet test, but due to the height, which was 12 metres, and the temperature in the shed, which was around 0 degrees, the smoke produced from this test was not getting into the apex due to the lack of heat being generated from the test. We needed a test that was going to give off a lot more heat. Therefore, we decided to use a chemical test. This test involves 2 chemicals, potassium chlorate and lactose. According to the height of the protected area being tested is how much of the 2 chemicals are required. You have to refer to the FIA guide for your particular test. In our test, we use 90 grams of lactose and 60 grams potassium chlorate, and this was suitable for a height of 10 to 20 meters. As you can see from the video, the heat generated from the chemical discharge was sufficient to elevate the smoke into the apex and produce a positive test result. The equipment required for this test is as follows: potassium chlorate, lactose powder, a steel container, an insulating board or material to protect the floor due to the heat that will be dissipated from the bottom of the steel container, a calibrated timer, a way to ignite the chemicals from a safe distance. This will be similar to the device used to light fireworks, and a calibrated measuring spoon. If you look closely at the detector in the distance, you will see the LEDs are beginning to illuminate as the smoke is being detected by the air sampling system. On close-up you will observe the status of the pre-alarm signal, and then it goes into fire. At this point a signal is sent to the main house alarm to start the programmed cause and effects. The equipment installed on this particular project was the London Underground approved Air Stratos detectors. However, the same test would apply if testing a VESDA system in the same sort of application. If you require an air sampling system to be designed, tested, commissioned or maintained, why not contact our office on 0208 541 5646 or visit our website on www.firesystems.co.uk and complete the contact form.